Welcome to Easy Cash Out. Right on this channel, we teach you guys how to make money online and how to be creative using just your smartphone. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we drop a new video. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. To all our returning viewers, I want to say we love you so much and thank you for your support. Like seriously, you stand to benefit a lot from this channel. Well, for today's video, I want to show you guys how you can get US number for free. And of course, not just getting this US number for free, but you can also make calls with it to your loved ones and sign up on WhatsApp using this very US number. You can verify your WhatsApp number, and of course, you can also create a Facebook account with this very US number, and not just a US number, of course, every other contact, every other country are involved in this. So my guys, you just need to subscribe now, turn on the notification icon so you get notified when we drop a new video, because a lot of people now wanna get used to US number without even knowing how to do this. But today, of course, I'm gonna show you this trick free of charge how you can get this US number. Now, without wasting much of your time, why don't we jump into the video full time? Please, if you have any question, use the comment section below to ask your question, and don't forget to like this video, share this video so others can also benefit from this great video. Now the first thing we want to do is to install the application which we'll be using, and of course you can check the description link below of this video to get the link. You can just install it directly from the Play Store, or just go down the description link of this video and click on the link to install this application, and I'm going to take you step by step on how you can use it. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing you want to do is to install the application on Play Store. After installing it, you just need to open the application. Now this app will be using Numero. So once it's opening, yeah, still loading. That's the eSIM. Like seriously, you need to turn your data on before you can do this. Now guys, as you can see, with this very eSIM, you can also browse. You can also browse with it, like creating data. You can make calls with it. And of course, buy bundles, free coins, offers, my products, support center, and settings also. As you can see, now you want to get this SIM card for free. What you want to do is this: you go to phone numbers. As you can see guys, there are different numbers which you can actually get right here. Different countries. Wow, we have Kenya, we have Hong Kong, we have Uganda, we have Panama, we have Slovenia. Like seriously guys, and of course we have Russia here, we have Romania, and wow, the big deal, we have USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and Turkey. Now let's say you need the USA number. Now you need to click USA, and of course, as you can see right here, the prices don't worry about the prices you're seeing. I'm going to show you guys how to get it for free right on this on this very video. So if you need as you can see, we have about £4 a month, something for £4 a month. But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to get this free of charge without paying a damn for doing this. Okay, and also have a bonus at the end of this video for you, so you need to watch it to the end. Now the next thing you want to do to get these numbers for free, if you don't want to pay these £4 or wherever to get this number, the next thing you want to do, you go back, and then right now you go to free coin. Now what is free coin? Free coin is where you earn coins, convert it, and get free SIM card with this coin. The next thing you want to do, you click on free coin center, And of course, right now it's opened. So the next thing you want to do now is this: when you have up to 400 coins, you get a free eSIM card. You got a free US number for you to use for a whole month. So my guys, like seriously, if you want this for free, you definitely need to earn up to 400 coin and you get your SIM card. You get your eSIM, boom, and you can be able to make call with it. And of course, you can also browse and buy SIM everything. Just how simple as that. Now, for you to earn coin, all you need to do right here now is to just go to click, of course, as you can see it loading. Yeah, and it's opened. So right now, as you can see, my balance here right now is 11 coin. Oh, damn. So after getting your 400 coins, the next thing you're gonna do is to redeem your coins for services. Now let's you want to earn a coin by watching a ad. What you need to do, you click here, and of course you earn a coins right now. Please just stay tuned. As you can see, wow, I want this. Here. The ad is playing right now. The ad is playing right now. So just watch to the end. I have something I want to show you guys. As the ad is playing, definitely you getting your coins for sure. And you don't want to miss this trick. Okay. I just want to take you step by step on this so you don't make mistakes while doing this. So right now we're done watching this ad now. The next thing for us to do now is to allow you read after watching the ad. Okay, zero. All right, now you skip it. And of course we don't want to get this, so we need to skip it also. And right now, as you can see, we just earn one coin. Fine, this is how you make coin from this. And my coin just changed to 12 now. And of course you can earn up to 1,000 coins going for game challenges. Can earn up to 500 coins um going for offers and survey. And of course surprise boss get 60 plus coins, spin and win 400 coins, share to get 1 coin. So you just choose the one which is actually convenient for you and roll the package and gather much coins. So once you have enough coins in your wallet, the next thing you want to do is to redeem your coin for services. So right now, I promise you guys that if you watch this video to the end, I have a bonus for you, which I'll be showing you. Now, the trick right here is there. The bonus I have for you guys is, do you know you can also refer someone to this app? And once the person earns a coin, you get your own percentage from this. Oh, sounds cool, right? Now, if the person earns 1 coin, automatically you also earn a coin. The person should earn 200 coin. Definitely, you also earn 200 coin. So whatever the person is earning is being split into two, and you get one. The person gets one. It's been double. Like if the person should earn 2 coin, definitely they're going to pay you 2 coin and pay the person is 2 coin. Wow. So guys, that's just it. That's the bonus I wanted to give to you guys. So I just know you won't really miss this one. So for those of you guys trying to finding a way to get a free US number, this is just a trick. Subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button now if you know you enjoyed this video. Turn on the notification icon because I'll be dropping great videos like this from time to time. Like seriously guys, you don't really want to miss this. Make money online, be creative with your smartphone, and go beyond your competitors. Like seriously, this is Easy Cash Out, and we are always here to support you guys. I know you don't want to miss this. Say hi to guys. Happy weekend.